Welcome back, everybody. Today we are making chicken legs, and it's going to be cooked in the slow cooker. A very simple, quick, and easy recipe. The recipe is down in the description box if you want to cook along at home, along with miscellaneous kitchen items, including the slow cooker itself. So let's get going. Okay, we're going to make a little sauce to put on our chicken legs. We have a half a cup of water. And now we're going to add 2 packets of dry onion soup mix. Add that. 3/4 cup ketchup. And lastly, we're going to add some brown sugar to sweeten it up. Half a cup. Now we're going to mix all that up real good. Okay, we have a 7-quart slow cooker. Take the lid off. I have about 5 pounds chicken legs. I took the skin off, and you can easily do that by just using a paper towel. And we're just going to layer these. There'll be a couple layers. Okay, now we just want to pour our sauce all over the chicken, and does not have to be fancy. This is the juices of the chicken will make a nice pool of sauce along with this. Okay, we can put it on low, cover it, and we'll come back in 8 hours. Okay, it's been 8 hours. Let's take a look. Wow. You can definitely see it pulling back from the bone. Just exactly what you want to see. Wow, this is going to come apart. And there you have it. Slow cooker chicken legs with sauce. All right, let's give this a try. I know this is probably extremely hot, and this just pulls apart. Oh yeah, that onion soup mix really sets it off. Taste the ketchup. The chicken is just tender, falls apart, still moist, and you saw how easy it was to put together. Slow cookers are amazing utility in the kitchen. So until next time, it's a Classical Gourmet wishing you happy cooking.